Okay, so this is a quick tour of the outside of the house. See up there's the roof. There's the water tower up there. This is the door into the bathroom. And then this is the laundry door. On the right is the workshop, which is full of panels that are going to be used in the house eventually. And this is going to be my workshop. And then this is the terrace with a fancy front door. And this is the side of the house. Oh my goodness, there's a window open there. That's my office there. This is the other side of the house. That's the boundary there of our property, which goes down to the sacred spring at the bottom. And then outside here, there's the master bedroom and master bathroom here. There's the road. And then this is the other bathroom, the one that's actually got the working bathroom bits in. And this is the water tower. Yeah, and the bathroom door, so we come right around the house now. Very nice. And that's the lane. That goes to the main street up there. And then that one goes to the neighbours' houses.